Roger and Schmelik this time. Gordy at the line. Sweeney. Long drive. Score! Bob Sweeney and the Sabres win it in overtime.
This puck is deflected by the Tampa Bay defenseman. But Sweeney with a full head of steam coming to the neutral zone. And watch this. Watch the puck is deflected right there off the defenseman's stick and into the net. And the Sabres win their first overtime game of the season by a 5-4 score. There's a deflection. Look at the puck skipping in and then under the left pad of the goaltender Jablonski. Here's another look. Look at the puck bouncing just inside the goal post, and the Sabres, with 2:30 remaining on the clock, win it 5-4. Sweeney with his 4th goal, and the Sabres beat 10.